I had this particular case that was a domestic violence case, and the complainant, the victim in the case, had flown from abroad so she could read her victim impact statement in the sentence hearing. For her to have a restraining order in this case was so important for her protection going forward, and it allows her to see in black and white what those conditions are, what this person's limits are, without having to question constantly what could possibly happen.
One particular morning I had to take a telephone call off a very distressed caller. Both the caller's parents died without leaving a will. When they went to the bank to collect the assets, the bank insists on the caller getting probate. The caller was very distressed because obviously losing both parents, it's a very emotional and distressing time as well.
So the user contacted us to say that they had recently had a leg injury, which meant that they would be wheelchair bound for the upcoming hearing. They contacted us in a little bit of distress because they didn't disclose this information previously, and they were worried that we wouldn't be able to update our system. Through the changes that we've been able to make, we were able to flag on the online system that this user needed a wheelchair support for the hearing. Because we were able to flag that in good time, the judges and anyone who had access to the case, the online case file, meant that they could see that there was a flag on the case where the user would need wheelchair access.
With Common Platform, I'm finding I can get things done a lot quicker. Judge then, he passed his sentence and gave conditions for the restraining order. And within a couple of minutes of the sentence hearing being finished, I had that resulted. I printed that off and I was able to give her the complainant that order before she'd even left the court. I
assured the caller that probate can still be granted. The caller needs to apply for probate for the most recent parent that passed away.
For us to be part of the online civil money claims and to deliver that service to a user who's under a stressful situation makes me feel really proud to be part of this service. And now actually it's on an online service, and it allows them to get from end to end a lot smoother, and it allows the stressful situation to be reduced.
When she was reading it, it was just nice to see that sort of relief for her. It can provide just a little bit of closure for them to be able to have that and have that closure and just have that release. It does give them that opportunity to just get on with their lives. And it is nice to be able to allow someone to have that relief of something that's just been really tough for them to go through. It does feel essentially something almost small and administrative sometimes, but it does feel nice to be able to give someone a bit of peace.
All about showing empathy, treating customers fairly as well, and making sure that the correct information is being related, always making sure that additional support is there as well. It was a difficult call to actually take. I offered all the support that was necessary. After taking the call, I felt it was good to help someone and guide them in this time of bereavement as well.
Being part of this service has made me really proud. I can see that we're making day-to-day difference to people's lives, and that's really makes me feel proud to be part of the service.